Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you a few things you could start doing to help impact your business positively. Now, I've learned that by giving business owners a free plan of things that they could do themselves to help impact their business positively has resulted in some of those business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, then go ahead and message me back or give me a call. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the plan that I give you and implement it yourself, well hey, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and show you 3 things that can help your business succeed. Now, I'm not here to sell anything, I'm just here to do a quick show of what some tricks and tips you could do for free, like I said. So I saw that in Angie, I couldn't find a website for you, so I'm just going to do a very generic quick rundown. Usually I compare websites. So all I did is, as a gutter company, I just typed in Gutters, Florida, because that's where you're located, and we can see the #1 ranked organically website is this allfloridagutters.com. So I went ahead and I typed them into a tool, well, this is their website, into a tool called SEO Quake. And we can see they have 609 words. So they're missing the mark because Google has actually released that when their algorithm scrub the pages, they look for a minimum of 1,500 words. So when you build your website, just by adding that 1,500 words, you're already hitting one area where the top competitor is not. Secondly, what I want to talk about is content quality. So we can see that their content density right here is Gutters, Gutter, Florida, 16, 8, and 7. So why this is important is you want to have the keywords most prevalent in your website content. And the reason being is because when you type something into Google, like Gutters, Florida, it's going to look for those words specifically. So if you want to be found for, let's say, Tampa, you would put, Gutters, Tampa, and the more times you have it, the more chances you'll get found by people looking for their gutters to be repaired in Tampa. Or if you have Gutter Repair Tampa or Gutter Repair Orlando, you get the gist. Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is the most important. Now, this is the offsite SEO. And what we're looking at is the backlinking. What a backlink is a link referencing another website. So it's one link going to another website. The reason this is important is because this is what drives your DR, and your DR is what drives your ranking in Google, basically. And it works like this. If a website's pointing at another website, it's giving it some of its power. So if site A points to site B, then site B gets some of site A's power. It's basically a giant popularity contest in Google's eyes, but it's very important to get into the first page of Google. So what did we talk about today? Well, we talked about 3 things. We talked about content and how you need 1,500 words of it to meet that minimum criteria. Secondly, we talked about keyword density and how you want to have good quality keywords to be found in Google by what you want to be found for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about backlinking, link juice, and SEOs offsite. So, and how you want to have the most relevant sites point at you to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies when you build a website, there's no doubt in my mind that you could be the front page of Google. And as you can see, it pays. They're getting 243 clicks a month on their website. That's a lot of visits and a lot of business that could be going to you. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you could take this information and implement it yourself, and that's totally cool with me. However, if you want to save yourself the time and focus on your business, and you want the most effective route, or see what other tips and tricks I have up my sleeve, then give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thanks, and have a great day.